Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola E40 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold basically all the keys that are on the side. Now I'm going to grab the phone in my hand for this because it's a little bit easier for me to press all of them. Now you want to hold the top one, the both volume keys and the power key. When you see the screen turn on, like this, let go of the power key but keep holding the rest of the keys. As you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to utilize volume keys to navigate through the visible options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options right here, we can reboot the device and go back just to the normal Android. We can boot it to bootloader or fastboot mode. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and also power it off. So basically that's all we have right here. So I'm gonna leave this by sticking with the first option, confirming it, and this will now initiate a reboot of the phone. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.